Welcome to Flipbizz. Let me guide you on how to create 4 important features in your mobile phone. Complete your professional profile to enhance and boost yourself in terms of credibility, recognition, and personal branding. How to subscribe for your professional profile? Click on the sidebar tab, then click on Subscription. In Subscription, select the Professional Circle tab and key in your IC to validate your personal identity. Then click the box below to subscribe to the Professional Circle. After that's done, return to your profile page and scroll down to fill in all the relevant details under qualification, experience, organization, and language. This is to ensure your profile stands out to boost your credibility and visibility to other Flipbizz users.